Hey guys, it's Sadie1505 AJ here, and today we're gonna be doing another giveaway. Yeah guys, so school's canceled for me, so hot suckers. So anyway, might want to turn your volume up because I'm not talking very loud. So we are going to be giving away this, and this. Alright? Okay. And then this is first place. And then second place will just get this. Yeah guys, so first is those three things, and the second will just be a rare Clover blanket. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is comment your user below, like this video, subscribe, and it ends at 40 subs. Yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway every 10 subs, I think. So yeah guys, comment your user, like this video, subscribe, and then comment why you want to win. Alright, so yeah, it ends at 40 subs, so bye guys. I need to. Okay guys, again, first place, second place, comment your user, subscribe, like, and then why you want to win, and it ends at 40 subs. I think I might be doing a giveaway every 40 subs, first and second. Okay, bye guys.